Imagine this. You are at the airport.
You have a ticket in your hand.
You hear people speaking English.
You want to travel.
You want to speak English with confidence.
Today, we help you do that.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Happy English.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to our podcast.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today, we talk about travel and holidays.
Travel and holidays.
Very good. Tom, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
First word, travel.
Travel.
Say it again. Travel.
Travel.
Travel means you go to another place.
Go to another place.
You can travel by car,
By car.
by train,
By train.
by plane.
By plane.
Good. Listeners, repeat.
Travel.
Tom, do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Say the full sentence.
I like to travel.
Very good. Next word, holiday.
Holiday.
Holiday means time to rest.
Time to rest.
No work.
No work.
No school.
No school.
Good. Say it. Holiday.
Holiday.
Tom, do you like holidays?
Yes, I like holidays.
Me too. Now listen. Travel and holiday are different.
Different.
Travel is going to places.
Going to places.
Holiday is time to relax.
Time to relax.
Practice time. Listeners, say with Tom, I like to travel.
I like to travel.
I like holidays.
I like holidays.
Great job. Now let us talk about places.
Places.
City,
City.
beach,
Beach.
mountains,
Mountains.
hotel.
Hotel.
Tom, where do you like to travel?
I like to travel to the beach.
Very good. Say it slowly.
I like to travel to the beach.
Listeners, your turn. Pause and say, I like to travel to...
Good job.
Next words. I book a ticket.
I book a ticket.
Book means plan.
Plan.
Buy a ticket.
Buy a ticket.
Tom, do you book tickets online?
Yes, I book tickets online.
Very good. New words. Airport,
Airport.
passport,
Passport.
suitcase,
Suitcase.
luggage.
Luggage.
Say all together.
Airport. Passport. Suitcase. Luggage.
Excellent. Now practice sentences. I am at the airport.
I am at the airport.
I have my passport.
I have my passport.
I have my luggage.
I have my luggage.
Very good. Now let us make a small dialogue.
Okay.
Hello, where are you going?
I'm going on holiday.
Where are you traveling?
I'm traveling to Italy.
How long is your holiday?
My holiday is 1 week.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
Listeners, repeat this question. Where are you traveling?
Where are you traveling?
Good. Next topic, hotel.
Hotel.
You stay in a hotel.
Stay in a hotel.
You check in.
Check in.
You check out.
Check out.
Tom, where do you stay on holiday?
I stay in a hotel.
Good. Practice. I check in at the hotel.
I check in at the hotel.
I check out in the morning.
I check out in the morning.
Very nice. New words. Room.
Room.
Key.
Key.
Reception.
Reception.
Say it again.
Room. Key. Reception.
Now let us talk about activities.
Activities.
Swim.
Swim.
Walk.
Walk.
Take photos.
Take photos.
Eat local food.
Eat local food.
Tom, what do you do on holiday?
I swim and take photos.
Very good. Listeners, say one thing you do on holiday. Pause.
Great job.
Now, money words for travel.
Money.
Budget.
Budget.
Cheap.
Cheap.
Expensive.
Expensive.
Tom, is travel expensive?
Sometimes travel is expensive.
Good answer. Practice sentences. My hotel is cheap.
My hotel is cheap.
The ticket is expensive.
The ticket is expensive.
Excellent. Now let us talk about food on holiday.
Food.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Menu.
Menu.
Order food.
Order food.
Small dialogue. Hello, can I see the menu?
Yes, here is the menu.
I want to order food.
What would you like?
I would like chicken, please.
Okay.
Listeners, repeat. I would like blank, please.
Good.
Now, let us talk about problems.
Problems.
Lost luggage.
Lost luggage.
Late flight.
Late flight.
No problem. Stay calm.
Stay calm.
Practice sentence. My luggage is lost.
My luggage is lost.
My flight is late.
My flight is late.
Very good. Now, feelings.
Feelings.
Happy.
Happy.
Tired.
Tired.
Excited.
Excited.
Tom, how do you feel on holiday?
I feel happy and excited.
Nice. Listeners, say it. I feel happy on holiday.
Great job.
Now, let us review slowly.
Review time.
Travel.
Travel.
Holiday.
Holiday.
Airport.
Airport.
Hotel.
Hotel.
Ticket.
Ticket.
Passport.
Passport.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Excellent work today. You did a great job.
Comment below. Tell me about your travel.
Yes, comment and practice English. Please subscribe to Happy English.
And share this podcast with your friends.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.